enjoying this beautiful Sunday morning, watching my dogs play in the backyard. I need to get myself ready because I have so much laundry to do and these pajamas are not motivating. Look at all this laundry. Oh my gosh. But actually, look at all my baby stuff. I'm 18 weeks pregnant. I'm so excited. And this is my dog magnet. He thinks we are one. Okay, so since I've come to the realization that this laundry absolutely is not going to do itself, I'm just going to scoop it all in here because this is a task in itself. Oh yeah, and peep my braid. I wouldn't even call it a braid. We need to work on that because if I'm going to have a daughter, I need to know how to braid my own hair. And disclaimer, I do not know the gender yet. January 30th, I have that ultrasound, but fun fact, February 2nd, I'm having a gender reveal brunch, and I literally cannot stop thinking about it. I'm so excited. But yeah, before we get started on this laundry, I need to have a fire YouTube video to distract me. And of course, I'm headed to the kitchen because I need to set the ambiance as well. And since I'm pregnant, I can't drink that much coffee, so I have been adding hot water to it to kind of give the illusion that I'm drinking another cup. This was our wedding mirror. How cute. Okay, let's say a prayer because now it's go time. I usually don't do my laundry on the couch, but I actually loved it. And I'm going to have to get used to it because our guest room that I just showed you with all the laundry on it is no longer in there anymore as of today because we just got a whole nursery set. I'm so excited. We just got it from Marketplace, but it was super high quality. It looks almost brand new. It's way more like quality than what I would have purchased for myself if I got it brand new. But this is your sign. If you have laundry, go grab it, fold it, and don't be like me. I'm very type A with cleaning my laundry, putting it in the dryer on time, but type C minus at folding it and putting it away right away. Well-deserved time with the pets. Scooby is in everybody's attention space because he thinks he should be the one getting pet at all times. But everybody deserves love, not just Scooby. This is Fiji, my Bengal boy. And as you might have guessed, okay, now let's finish what we started and put this laundry away. Oh yeah, this was my tripod for the day. Definitely not a tripod, but she worked. And my favorite time to eat. Well, we gotta cook first. We're having chicken breast, Brussels sprouts, some tomatoes, and we need a nice carb. We're going with rice pilaf. Maybe not the healthiest, but my soul, she was nourished. And for all things holy, wash your produce and wash it real good because we don't want any dead bugs or anything. And you know, if you're buying organic, that's a thing. So wash, cut in half. Then I'm going to get these tomatoes in a bowl and I'm going to juice a whole lemon right over those puppies. So good. Don't forget to check on your Brussels sprouts so they don't burn. I just seasoned those with avocado oil, salt, pepper, and paprika. And my chicken was juicy. I added just a little bit of barbecue sauce. And the flavors were chef's kiss. I sat down and really tried to enjoy and be present in the moment and not be so hurry, rush, go. Because I knew soon after I was going to be headed to my little boutique one-on-one personal training gym and get a workout. Oh, without further ado, here we are. On this day, I did a lower body strength and mobility. So in between one strength exercise, I'll do a mobility style exercise next. And instead of just doing mobility as more of a warm-up, I incorporated it into my actual workout set. By the way, I would definitely consider trying out this medicine bell core exercise because my core was lit up in the best way. And these are pregnancy safe, so give it a whirl. And don't say I didn't warn you. Hi, Willow. She was just loving the laundry basket. It was so funny. I don't know why she was in there. She doesn't usually do that. But she like hung out in there for an hour. So funny. But anyway, I just got home and took a shower and putting on some makeup because my husband and I are gonna go get a hot pot for dinner. And I am clearly no makeup guru, so please take 0 notes here. This is for entertainment purposes only. I love my blush. Like, oh my god, is she super embarrassed or did she get in sunburn like literally only on her cheeks? And I love overlined lips. I'm trying to figure out the mom bang thing. Clearly it's kind of like I want to commit, but I need to commit fully. And I just struggling a little bit. So as you can see, I'm trying to navigate my way through that. I think I need a trim and I need her to give me more bang because I love like a heavy flip, but it doesn't just like flow right. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up here. Thank you for being a part of my vlog. This is one of my first ones ever, so I appreciate you sticking through it and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.